what's maybe, Luke, this is probably more to some of the stuff you've spoken about today and in the previous episode, but, lessons that you've learned that could never have been learned through the modeling or the simulation or even theory alone that had to be tested that came out that you're like, oh, look at that.
I mean, so many things. I keep coming back to sort of the big three things that are really hard to simulate are like combustion stability. So the transients and like the oscillations and vibrations, those are really hard to predict. The combustion efficiency, so how well do all the gases mix um, and combust before they leave the nozzle. And then another one would be something we call regression rate, which is how quickly does the solid fuel in our hybrid motor erode from the fuel grain into the combustion chamber. And we've, I never quite know what that's going to look like before a test. So that's the first thing I always do is analyze the data to see what those three metrics look like. Because those are always the biggest question marks that I know what I'm hoping for, but we don't really know what they're going to be until we've run the test.